And welcome to another video. I hope everybody's okay. It is a Sunday and look at that water. I actually drove down here about half an hour ago just to take a look at the place, and when I saw the water I just had us to go back home and get close to come back and take a dip. It looks too nice not to take a bath. Check that thing out. You know, sometimes in life you just have to stop and remember there is a lot of beautiful things in Jamaica, especially look at it, and you should just take time off of the day to go and enjoy it. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump into the water. On the beach, go and take a swim. I haven't swum in a long time on this beach in Montego Bay on dead end. So I'm nearly walking with my phone. Right in the water. I'm right next to these kind of broken down piers, and you're seeing the fish in between. I hope the camera is picking it up, but it looks so pretty. How could I not come into the water? One thing though, I don't have the mask. I left, you know, the big one with the breather, and I left that in Trinidad. It became so obvious I depended on that so much to breathe. I'm having to train myself to kind of come up for breath. It's kind of weird. You've seen a lot of the small fish on them, like little schools of fish in the water. Check it out. Whew. I'm here on the wall. I always wanted to come to this little beach here, and I'm here now. My own little private corner. It is so clear. Check that water. Alright. I did a snorkeling again without my full mask. Whew. It's a bit harder, but I think I got some good shots, and I hope that you guys see it and enjoy it. I'm enjoying this little section here, but I'm going to head out because I'm hungry. I need to get some tea. So I'm heading back to the car. As I was saying earlier in the video, it's been a while since I've been down on this side. You know, you tend to get caught up in work and everything else that's going on. You forget that you could take a break and come and take a swim and enjoy nature. I mean, look at this. And it's only about 15 minutes away from where I live. So I'm going to be coming down more and enjoying these areas and dead end a little bit more because it's just fantastic.